Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A3 Saloon S-Line S tronic, finished in the modern Mythos Black Metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TDI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include LED headlights for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, and front and rear parking sensors paired with a reversing camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate, revealing a spacious 425-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. In the rear, you'll find a full leather trim with a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and rear climate control. The front houses the multifunctional steering wheel with a central touch display and S-embossed front full leather sports seats. The front and rear of this A3 consists of 6 Bang & Olufsen premium sound system speakers with 3D sound. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the digital cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection, navigation for assisted travels, and even Audi Drive Select, offering a range of driving modes to suit you. You can also access the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature with heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central cup holders and central armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.